I welcome your interest in our startup Bulk Solids Innovation India Private Limited. We are funded by METI Government of India and we are located at the Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. We are a powder technology based solution provider company. Fly ash handling in thermal power station is a huge problem. Every year around 60 megatons of ash is dumped in nature, in land, causing water, air, and land pollution. There are several design problems and hardware problems because of the complex ash characteristics. And as a result of all these problems, many of the power stations are either getting shut down or underutilized, lowering power generation in India in the thermal route. Our solution has been obtained based on the principle that we have to convey ash in dry mode. We have a strong design background backed by testing, modeling, know-how, and technology. The solution that we have created is based on artificial intelligence and smart control coupled pneumatic transport technology. Using a feed controller, we are able to transport the ash with increased 1/4 to 1/3 margin. As a result, the ash transport system is reliable and energy efficient, and in the larger scale, we are able to solve the solid waste pollution problems in thermal power stations. Our competitive edge is our stronghold on technology. We know our product. We have been working with power stations for many years, so we know our customers, and we have got patents or IP in our products. Being at Thapar Institute, we are at the heart of creativity and innovation ecosystem. So we are continuously generating and upgrading our technology. We have a large market size all over the country, wherever there are thermal power stations, and it is over 100 crore rupees in the next 2 to 3 years that we can see, covering almost 100 plants. We need this technology for green power generation. Thank you.